Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy to Learn. Today I am going to tell you some interesting topics on star birth, which is mysterious as well as interesting for all of us, so let's begin. Star birth. Stars have been forming throughout the universe for most of its life. They take shapes in vast clouds where thousands of stars are born at a time. You know, the largest stars in the night sky are big enough to swallow our sun 1 billion times. So let's get to the topic. The first is interstellar cloud. Stars are born within enormous cold dense clouds of gas and dust. The process of star formation may be triggered if something disturbs the clouds, such as collision with another cloud or a shock wave from a supernova explosion. After then the cloud breaks up into fragments of different size and mass. The most massive and dense of these fragments are gradually pulled by their own gravity into tighter clumps. These shrinking fragments will eventually turn into protostars. After then a protostar forms. Gravity pulls material into its core where the density, pressure, and temperature build up. The more matter the original cloud fragment contained, the greater the temperature and pressure rise as the protostar develops. Now a spinning disk is formed. The growing mass at the center creates a gravitational pull, drawing ever more gas and dust inward. A bit like water going down a plug hole, the material being pulled in starts to spin round. Powerful winds develop, blowing jets of gas out from the center. Now a star is born. Squeezed by the force of gravity, the protostar's core becomes so hot and dense that nuclear reactions occur and the star begins to shine. The glowing core produces an outward pressure that balances the inward pull of gravity, making the star stable. It is now a main sequence star. Thank you, and if you liked my video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more informations.